What if every person who hears you speak could instantly become part of your world? Welcome to SpeakerHUB. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to invite members to your hub, manage your community, and join other speakers' hubs for free. Let's get started. Step 1. Click your name in the top right corner. A drop-down will appear. Click Edit Hub to enter your hub admin panel. Step 2. You're now in the Community tab. Here you can update your community name and description directly in the fields shown. Make your edits and click Save Changes. Step 3. Scroll down to Invite a Member. Type in your contact's email address and hit the orange Send Invite button. A green confirmation banner will appear, and your new member will show up in the members list with a pending badge. Here's what happens next for them. Your contact receives a branded SpeakerHUB email with an Accept Invitation button. Once they click it, they're in, and they get full access to your content and community posts. Step 4. As your community grows, you stay in control. In the Member section, you can view a member's profile, check their details, ban them if needed, or remove them entirely, all from the icons on the right of each row. Step 5. Now, what about joining other speakers' communities? Search for any speaker in the directory, open their profile, and click Join Hub. You'll get instant, free access to their posts and resources. Your community is one of your most powerful assets as a speaker. SpeakerHUB gives you everything you need to build it from one place. Start inviting your audience today and let the flywheel spin.